Hey everyone, and welcome to another video with me NJC here. And for today I decided to do something different. Now you may consider this topic as an awareness or maybe educative. So my topic for today is how can we contribute to society in different ways? Now society here in this context would mean individuals like you and me as members of a community, or rather members of one big extended family. Society, if not, please remember, should be an integral part of our lives. As law would have it, with every right that we as citizens enjoy comes a set of duties that we need to do. Now these duties are not compulsory, but they may be considered as moral duties that we should keep up to based on our conscience. Besides, as individuals, even companies have a policy of corporate social responsibility, where most of them use it for various kinds of activities, whether it is awareness programs, funding scholarships, or health camps, and many other activities as part of their CSR initiative. Now, knowing more or less what I'm trying to speak on, the question is how we as individuals can contribute towards society. There are a lot of ways if you think about it, whether directly or indirectly. Now, the most relevant or current scenarios being the illegal projects that are plaguing Goa these days. So in terms of that, or rather in that context, the other day we saw an agitation happen at Chandor which lasted till about 5 a.m. which also included people sleeping on the railway tracks. Now that night actually made history for Goa and found its way in national media and news, having a worldwide outreach. It was said that there were about 5,000 people present on that wonderful night. However, I'd like to bring to the notice that on that historic night, no matter the numbers were good, 5,000 is a very good number to show unity against any projects that may be considered as detrimental to the future of Goa or our motherland. But my question is Goa known to be a population of just 5,000 people? Because until about 4 or 5 years back, I knew Goa's population was about 16 lakhs, or rather 1,600,000 people, and it was growing until today. It's still growing. So where were the remaining people? I understand those who are busy, or maybe the place of the gathering was pretty far for you to travel from, but I will not stand this kind of an opinion or a mentality that amka kitya korla, or rather why are we bothered. That is some kind of stupid mentality that majority of us people have over here. Anyways, please note that people who gathered there that night were not there for fun, but irrespective of religion, caste, creed or residence, they were there because they understood the cause and the need for that move. This is one way how we can contribute to our motherland Goa. She gives us name, she gives us fame. So isn't there at least that much that we can give her? This is one area where we can show our solidarity for a much bigger cause. That is saving our hometown, our pristine beauty, our Goa. So the other day I was at an awareness meeting, or a program as I would call it, and there was a very well-renowned or well-known speaker who said something that caught my attention. He said, young or old, we all are talented in different ways. And to put it in better perspective, he said Goa needs our time, our knowledge and our talent. Now that is something which made perfect sense to me, and it hit me. Yes, many of us have all these three qualities in us. Maybe not at par with each other, but yes, we do have them. We can give our time by making our presence felt for anything that our Goa needs us, for a good cause, and not just make time for socializing at events or parties. That is not what Goa is all about. We can use our knowledge, no matter the fields we belong to, by helping in making people aware or educating them on various social issues. In terms of talents, we may be singers, we may be into music, we may be into acting, we may be into video editing, photography and so on. Let's put it to good use, not just use it for fame or for money. Why not contribute to society? That's the underlying topic over here. Now it comes to money. Many of us think that contributing to society or for a cause would just be monetary contributions or financial contributions, but no, I have just told you different ways in which we can contribute. So before I end, this is a shout out to all our fellow Goenkars to stay united irrespective of your ideologies, your political affiliations, your field of work, your caste, your religion, get together. Let's be together for a good cause, only good causes and not for personal motives. Please keep that in mind, very important. As for the youth, my message to you, I come under the category of youth. We are the now and not just the future. We are the now, the tomorrow, the day after, the future. So please remember that it starts with us. So with this, I come to the end of my video. This is me and JC signing off. Do feel free to share the video with family and friends. Do stay tuned into NJC vlogs for more such topics, and do share this, as I said, because many people need to be educated, need to be made aware of these small little concepts, because it is the small things that matter a lot in life. Thank you, stay safe and take care.